Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Hello, my name is Linzie Ellis. I'm born and bred in Blackford, the home of Tullibardine Whisky, and whiskey is in my veins, and I think I'll always love it.
Is this where you keep the good stuff?
It is indeed. I believe the oldest one at the moment we have in here is from 1962. Some have bottled, but you always have to pay the tax on it. So you could come and get a bottle every year, but you pay the tax on that bottle. Maybe in their 90s now,
Yeah.
or a lot of their families still live in the village.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So my next door neighbour, his name is Joke, and he was one of the original people that worked here, and he must be 86 to 90 maybe. Father-in-law as well was one of the members here that started off.